I think this show particularly, the Fluid Power Show, if you're a company that's in business, wants to stay in business, I think we should be here. This is a UK show. It's a very, very good integrated show, co-located with very relevant exhibitions, and the buyers are here. They're walking around us now. JCB were here yesterday, walking around. Maybe you're a company who can't afford the resource to get into JCB to supply them. Their people were here. So if you're not here, you're missing that. And companies that weren't here yesterday were not seen by companies like JCB or Railtrack.
I've been coming since the late 70s to the IFPEX exhibition. We've grown and grown in the last 2 years, and the IFPEX show just gives us that opportunity to put our stamp on our brand throughout the industry.
The quality is excellent and the people coming. Really good. We're getting a lot of inquiries, genuine inquiries, not people just coming on the stand and asking for a brochure.
The quality, I think, this year has been better than it's ever been, whether that's because we've gone with a much bigger stand ourselves at the IFPEX exhibition or not, but we've had some absolute top quality manufacturers coming onto our stand this year, so it's been really, really good.
Companies that aren't here are missing out on an opportunity of their customer coming to them. And there's a very simple sum that if you're a salesman going to visit individual customers, it's costing you between £200 and £300 a visit these days just to get in your car and go up the motorway and visit people. You're standing still for 3 days here and your customer's coming to you, he's paying his own petrol and everything else.
Well, AirTech, as you know, is every 2 years, and for us it's a key exhibition. We attend only a few exhibitions, but we choose AirTech because it's a combination of manufacturers, distributors and suppliers. We've had people from the offshore oil, people from the food industry, we've had a paper printing company. There's all industries come and talk about the requirements of their compressed air system.
For us, it's always proven to be exceptional. We've had really good leads every year we've been, good quality leads as well, which for us is really important.
We did AirTech in 2010. It did well for us, so we decided this time, bigger stand, get more of our machinery on here.
The show's an opportunity for us to stand next to our competitors, show where our differences are, and some of the uniqueness of our products, and hopefully people come along and see that.
And if companies are thinking of exhibiting in an exhibition in the UK, I would certainly recommend the AirTech exhibition. Not only that it's the key exhibition for our industry, but it's co-located with 4 or 5 other technologies, which if you're involved in compressed air, you'll also be involved in electronics, in motors, in drives. So it's almost, to be crude, a one-stop shop.
The show is drives and controls. I think this is the ideal venue for it. It's a very good show for us because it's all about automation and control panel builders, machine builders, which is exactly the market that we're aiming at, and we always do well here.
This is the third time we've exhibited at Drives and Controls, proving to be a very successful show so far. About 15 new leads yesterday and about 30 today so far, and we're only lunchtime. We're getting probably maybe another double that quantity, but they're existing people we know.
We've been coming to Drives and Controls for over 15 years now. It's probably the only show which is really relevant to our part of this industry. We do other shows as well, but for the automation industry and the drives industry, there is no other.
There have been quite a few managing directors and technical directors of fairly small OEMs that have been here to see us, which is encouraging. And equally there have been engineers that just happen to use our equipment and they want to see what's new.
Selling large enclosures is the only opportunity the customer gets to actually touch it and feel it before he gets it. You can't put this in the boot of a car.
We've come to this show because it's a good opportunity to meet people in the preventative maintenance industry.
Today's been a very good day. We've had lots of very interesting people for a whole different range of organisations, different levels. Lots of interesting conversations that I think have a real promise of developing into real business.
The show organiser's been very helpful, and there's been lots of press here as well, which is always good.
On the basis of what we've seen today, with lots of good, interesting customers, it would definitely be worthwhile coming again for the next show in 2 years' time.
We would come back to the show, yeah, definitely.
We're looking to basically to be here again in 2014.
For us, 2012 has again been a success, so we'll definitely be coming back in 2014.
Yeah, we'll be here in 2 years, yeah.
We will definitely be coming here in 2 years' time, in 2014.
The quality of the exhibitors is matched with the quality of the delegates that are coming in, so that's why we're here and we're keen to support it, and I'm sure we'll be here in future years.
Anybody not here is missing out.